chili, tomato, what else? That's it. Onion.
Onion curry.
You have a look in here. It's absolutely fabulous.
Galle is not only known for its lighthouse, but it's also known for its food. Outside the fort, there are many great places to eat local street food snacks.
So I'm going to try a samosa here, and then also I'm going to try a egg bun, is it? So it's basically fried bread with tomato, chili.
Chili and tomato.
Chili, tomato, what else? That's it. Onion.
Onion curry.
It's absolutely fabulous. And here is onion,
Yes.
chili,
Yeah. Tomato.
tomato, Maldive fish you have in here. So here I have vegetable samosa. So we'll see what that tastes like. Where's the vegetable?
Yes.
Where?
Potato curry.
Small amount of vegetable. He's a bit stingy. Very, very small amount of vegetable.
Spice.
Local spices as well, yeah. But definitely the sandwich is the winner. The Galle markets, to be honest, are not quite as impressive as Candy or some of the other markets I've been to. But I think that's because maybe perhaps it's a little bit earlier on that you have to come here, where the other markets are a bit more all day, but you can still see a lot of activity in here, and there's still some amazing fresh vegetables, and there's, you know, so many different types of gourds that I see here, and different types of kind of beans. And of course, you know, Sri Lankan food is all about its vegetables. Sri Lankan food is really unique to its curries, and it's about its spices that go into the curries, and then it's also about the vegetables, and every vegetable actually gives a different texture and a different flavor to the curries, but the bases are pretty much the same. And as you can see, there's so many different arrays of kind of vegetables that are on offer, and apparently the southern cuisine and the northern cuisine and central are still all quite different, mainly because of the religion kind of mixture that's in there as well. What is also unique to Sri Lankan cooking is, of course, its Maldive fish. And as you can see here, they have very different styles of fish. Are these all different fish? Yeah? Which is which? You can see here you have ikan bilis, which are small kind of white bait fish. And then you have kind of more white flesh fish here as well. What kind of fish is this? What fish? Katawari. Okay, so of course they have all very different types and names of fish. Which one? Tuna, this one. And of course they have tuna, which again, Maldive fish is very important for Sri Lankan cuisine because it gives a lot of flavor in there. The flavors of salted fish is quite incredible. It's so much stronger than, say, fish sauce, and it really enhances the flavor. So it's very interesting to see how similar it is to, say, Indonesian cuisine or kind of Southeast Asian cuisine rather than, say, Indian cuisine, because in Indian cuisine I haven't really seen dried fish much, and there is a little bit in the south, but of course not as much as in Sri Lanka.